Matt.
My name is Joseph.
And today we're going to be making cinnamon rolls. So as you can see, we have most of our ingredients over here. And the first step is to make the dough. So let's just get started and teach you guys how to make the dough. So guys, we have 4 cups of flour right here in this big bowl. And what we're going to do is add in cardamom flour. So we're just going to add in a spoonful of cardamom flour. This is my first time ever baking cinnamon rolls, so I'm learning. Now what we're gonna add is yeast.
Yeast, yeah.
Gonna add in some in this spoon. So I've got the yeast right here, and I'm just gonna pour that in there.
So pour half a spoon.
Yeah, of yeast. Then now we're gonna add 3 eggs right here. We can take turns cracking the eggs.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't get a shell in there. Okay.
Here's one.
Oh gosh. I hate cracking eggs. Oh! I'm gonna go and wash my hands.
Yeah, me too.
So as you guys can see, we have melted butter right here in this cup, and we're just gonna add in all of that. We put lukewarm milk,
Yeah.
like room temperature milk.
So pour a cup of that.
Yeah.
And then,
We just have a spatula right here, and we're just gonna start mixing. We can take turns mixing, right?
yeah.
So we just want to get all of that stuff mixed out. We don't want any flour pockets. So we're just going to mix the whole thing up. If you guys think it's like kind of too hard and it needs a little bit more liquid, you can add in a little bit more milk. I think it's your turn to mix this. Don't make a mess.
Okay. So try to mix it, all of that gooey stuff.
That's not gooey stuff, that's the eggs. Okay, it's my turn. Whoops, we're making a little bit of a mess. This is our first time ever making cinnamon rolls. We have never made this, so we hope you guys also learn with us. But yeah. Now you guys have to make sure that you take all of the flour from the sides of the bowl so everything can get mixed in evenly. This is kind of hard, but once you do it a couple times, you can get the hang of it, right?
Yeah. We mixed this well, and now we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes. Until then, we're gonna make the fillings.
So guys, we have a packet of light brown sugar right here. All you need is just brown sugar, and we're just gonna put that and some cinnamon in here, and we'll tell you guys the other instructions. Just gonna add in our brown sugar. Okay guys, so we have our brown sugar right here. It's about like this much. We don't know the exact measurements, but we just need this much. And now we're gonna add in our cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm trying to put this on the spoon. It's like about 2 spoons of cinnamon because I poured some extra.
You will have to pour 3 spoons. 3 spoons of brown sugar.
And then now we mix it, right?
Yeah.
You can really smell that cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
Guys, so we have our mixed cinnamon and brown sugar mixed right here. That's going to be the filling for the cinnamon rolls. And now we're going to check on our dough. So we set this cloth on our dough right here, and I think it's about ready, right? So we're just taking this out of the bowl right now, and it looks pretty nice. Now what we're going to do is take some little other pieces, like cut it into like different balls, like sections, and we'll just show you guys. We can't really explain it, but we'll show you guys. Okay guys, so we have like this much. We just cut it off from this big piece, and now we're gonna start mixing this into a ball. Let's hope we're doing it right. It's our first time, so I don't know if we're doing it right or wrong. When you're making your balls, put it on your space that you're working on, and then just cover it with a piece of cloth so it doesn't go dry. Give me. I'm gonna do the last part.
Okay.
Bam, we're just gonna roll it and place it under the cloth. So you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls right here. Now we're just gonna leave it under the cloth for about a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
So guys, we just left our dough under the cloth for about a minute or two, and now what we're gonna do is knead it down. So what we're trying to create here is a rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Try to do it with our hands. Trying our best here. Make sure it's all the sides are equal. Everything's even.
Wait, are we making a rectangle or a circle?
A rectangle, and then you'll see we'll roll it into a circle. Okay guys, so he's currently still working on his, and this is mine right here. I think this is big enough, so now I'm gonna add in the filling. And technically we have to add it in through the whole thing. Let's add it all, and then we're gonna spread this around. Okay, just add it into all the corners, and then you can spread it around with your hands. That's enough, and now I'm gonna spread it around with my hands evenly. He's still working on his.
I'm done.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just that much, like about 4 or 5 spoons.
Okay.
Now mix that up. I'm a step ahead of you, am I not?
Yeah.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is roll it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start from over here, and I'm gonna start rolling. Make sure your roll is even. Mine isn't that even, but if you're making this, make your roll even. It's super fun, so make sure you take your time here. And then we're gonna roll it. Roll it. Created a little bit of a mess. We can clean that up later. Now what we're going to do is, let me scoot this over a little bit. Okay. So I have this clear thing right here, a pot thingy, that we're going to be putting the rolls in here to put in the oven. Now what we're going to do is just cut our rolls evenly like that, like that, like that. So
I'm finally done.
yeah, finally. So I'm gonna cut this up. Wait, before I do this, before I put it in here, I'm gonna add some cooking spray. This is just regular olive oil cooking spray so it doesn't stick. Okay, that's about it. And now I can put my first little baby cinnamon roll in there. It's super small. I'm gonna cut the other ones up. All I'm gonna do is now quickly cut up all of this and place it in there. Each one counts, right? Yeah. Even these very ugly ones. So I'll show you guys what this looks like so far. That's what we got going right over here. And he is doing his. Now what we're going to do is do the rest. That's under this cloth right here. So we'll show you guys in the end. The whole thing is going to be full. So we'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the last one that we're doing. That's too much off the edge, but I'm going to make this very cinnamony. So I added a bunch of spoons of cinnamon. Now I'm just going to be mixing it around. Even sides. Oh gosh. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. And I
Is it
think
good?
I'm done. I'm done. Now I'm gonna roll it.
Is this good?
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna roll it up. Rolling, rolling. This one is gonna be pretty thick. There's a bunch off the sides. It's okay, we can add it back. It's not good to waste, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is gonna be pretty thick. Now we're just gonna cut it. Our last ones are our best ones because we're getting more and more better at it as we go, right?
Yeah.
So as you can see, we got these rolls. Beautiful roll right there. He's gonna bring in the pot thingy, the dish. And now we have to make room for these big ones. Oh gosh.
Put it right there.
Right there. Okay, so guys, that's what it looks like so far. Woohoo! This is what it looks like. Some we just put flat on the pot, but dish. And there's a bunch right here. So now we're gonna have our special guest come in. So guys, this is our special guest right here, our little baby brother. So are you excited?
Yeah.
What does this look like?
Cinnamon roll?
Good job! He can tell what they are. So does it look good?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Do you think it's gonna taste good?
Yeah, because it smells good.
It does smell good.
I think this is gonna be good, the gooder one because it has,
Best one?
yeah, because it has a lot of cinnamon.
Okay, we'll see. So now we're just gonna bake these, put them in the oven. Okay guys, so we need to have the oven at 300 degrees, 300 Fahrenheit degrees. And now we found this extra thing, and we can just place this because it's gonna expand when it's in the oven. So, oh my gosh, we forgot the cooking spray. It's his turn to put the cooking spray in.
Can I do the next one?
Okay, that's about it. Now we're just gonna place these on here. Guys, so we have powdered sugar right here. We're gonna need about this much, and I have a fork. Now we're gonna add in the butter and the milk to make our frosting, technically. Or icing, I should say. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of this butter. That much. Oh no. And then a little bit more. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of this milk. That should be about it. Now what we can do is just mix it.
Can I mix it?
You're gonna taste it. You're not gonna mix it.
I wish I was gonna mix it.
We're just gonna be mixing this thing. And our cinnamon rolls are in the oven. So what you're going to need to do is just take them out and leave them for like about a couple minutes to cool down a little bit, because then your frosting is basically technically going to melt. You don't want that. So you're gonna let them cool, and then you're gonna put this on top of your
Mix?
frosting. I mean your cinnamon rolls. Let me mix a little bit.
Okay.
Sikander asked me, he was like, can I mix it? I said, you're not mixing it, you're tasting it.
Let's mix a little bit.
Mixing it. That's what it should look like, but it's not mixed yet because I can still see some of the powdered sugar. So we're going to keep on mixing this, and then we're going to update you guys on the cinnamon rolls, and then we're going to pour this on top, and then we can enjoy, and you guys can enjoy yours.
Is mixing it?
Guys, look at that. You got some of the frosting going on over here, the cinnamon rolls. It looks delicious. It looks super good. It looks so tasty. And are you ready to judge it?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
get started. Sikander, you may choose your favorite one so you can try it.
I said choose this.
This looks good.
spicy.
It's not spicy.
I mean, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Mm.
Is that good? Do you taste the cinnamon in there?
Mm-hmm. Very.
How much do you give it out of 10?
10,000.
10,000 out of 10. Good job. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and
Comment down below.
well, you can't comment down below, but like give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others so they can also learn how to cook this amazing, delicious cinnamon rolls. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.